I would like. I would like a cup of tea, please. I would like a cup of tea, please. Could you help me, please? Could you help me with this form, please? Could you help me with this form, please? I'm looking for a bookstore. I'm looking for a bookstore. Can you show me the way? Can you show me the way to the train station? Can you show me the way to the train station? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? How can I get to the airport? How can I get to the airport? What's your favorite? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? Could I have the menu, please? Could I have the menu, please? Do you know where the nearest bus stop is? Do you know where the nearest bus stop is? What's the difference between much and many? What's the difference between much and many? How do I spell it? How do I spell your name? How do I spell your name? How do I pronounce this? How do I pronounce this word? How do I pronounce this word? I don't feel well. I don't feel well. I think I need to rest. I don't feel well. I think I need to rest. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card or only cash? Can I pay by card or only cash? What's the matter? What's the matter? You look upset. What's the matter? You look upset. Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that more slowly? Could you repeat that more slowly? Where are we meeting? Where are we meeting tomorrow? Where are we meeting tomorrow? Can you wait a moment? Can you wait a moment while I check? Can you wait a moment while I check? What's for dinner? What's for dinner tonight? What's for dinner tonight? Do you have any recommendations? Do you have any recommendations for a good restaurant? Do you have any recommendations for a good restaurant? When does it open? When does the museum open? When does the museum open? Is there a discount? Is there a discount for students? Is there a discount for students? How long does it take? How long does it take to get there by bus? How long does it take to get there by bus? What do you think about? What do you think about this idea? What do you think about this idea? What's your phone number? What's your phone number so I can call you? What's your phone number so I can call you? Could I borrow? Could I borrow your pen, please? Could I borrow your pen, please? How far is it? How far is it to the nearest park? How far is it to the nearest park? Can you write it down, please? Can you write it down for me, please? Can you write it down for me, please? Do you have Wi-Fi? Do you have Wi-Fi in this cafe? Do you have Wi-Fi in this cafe? How much time do we have? How much time do we have before the train leaves? How much time do we have before the train leaves? What's included? What's included in the price? What's included in the price? Is this for free? Is this trial free? Is this trial free? What time does it start? What time does the movie start? What time does the movie start? What's wrong? What's wrong with your car? What's wrong with your car? Can I join you? Can I join you for lunch? Can I join you for lunch? Is this seat taken? Excuse me, is this seat taken? Excuse me, is this seat taken? Where can I find a taxi stand? Where can I find a taxi stand? Do you have change? Do you have change for a $20 bill? Do you have change for a $20 bill? How do I get there? How do I get there from here? How do I get there from here? What's your job? What's your job? Do you work in IT? What's your job? Do you work in IT? What's the next step? What's the next step after this meeting? What's the next step after this meeting? Can I have some water? Can I have some still water, please? Can I have some still water, please? I'm in a hurry. I'm in a hurry. Can we talk later? I'm in a hurry. Can we talk later? It depends. It depends on the weather. It depends on the weather. Do you need help? Do you need help with those bags? Do you need help with those bags? What should I do? What should I do if I miss the train? What should I do if I miss the train? Can you call a taxi? Can you call a taxi for me, please? Can you call a taxi for me, please? When is the deadline? When is the deadline for this project? When is the deadline for this project? Could you explain that? Could you explain that again, please? Could you explain that again, please? I've changed my mind. I've changed my mind. Let's stay home. I've changed my mind. Let's stay home. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if this is the right address. I'm not sure if this is the right address. What are you doing? What are you doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend? What's your opinion? What's your opinion on this movie? What's your opinion on this movie? I have no idea. I have no idea where he went. I have no idea where he went. Can I sit here? Excuse me, can I sit here next to you? Excuse me, can I sit here next to you?